In this video, I have 5 tips for the IELTS speaking exam so you can get better marks and avoid some crucial mistakes. Let's go! What's going on, guys? This is Robert at English 360 with another video on the IELTS exam. So, tip number 1. Get comfortable, smile and say hello. I know this sounds very obvious, but most candidates who go into the exam are very nervous, so therefore they close themselves up into a little shell and then they don't speak very well. So as you enter the classroom, say hello, smile and sit down. It makes a big difference, trust me. Tip number 2 is, if you don't understand what the examiner has just said, ask him or her to repeat. Otherwise, you might be answering a totally different question. He might have asked you why you think it's important to do sport, and you might be saying why it's important to eat well. Tip number 3 is to use short answers. Do you like football? Yes, I do. Do you go running? Yes, I do. Are you from Italy? Yes, I am. Are you interested in reading? Yes, I am. Will you study at university in the future? Yes, I will. Will you travel abroad? Yes, I will. Would you like to take up a new hobby? Yes, I would. Would you? Yes, I would. Will you? Yes, I will. Would you? Yes, I would. Do you like running? Yes, I do. Are you interested in reading? Yes, I am. Short answers make a difference because they are natural in spoken English. Therefore, if you use them, you're signaling to the examiner that you know how to speak natural English. That's why you must use short answers. Don't just say yes or no. Say yes, I do, yes, I can, no, I can't, no, I won't. Tip number 4. Vary the length of your answers. Don't always use short answers or long answers. It very much depends on the questions, of course, but try to vary the length of your sentences because that will get you higher marks. It's normal in the English language to use a variety of lengths. For example, if somebody is talking about their future, they may say, I'm not sure about my future, I am still thinking about it. In the past, I did want to go abroad and work in the marketing. However, now I don't. You have a longer sentence followed by a shorter sentence. So if all the sentences are long, no, you will bore the examiner to death. So change the length of the sentences. Short, long, short, long, short, 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 long, long, short, long, long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long, short. Medium. Sometimes medium is good. Tip number 5, and it's a very important tip. When the examiner asks you a difficult question, you will need more time to think about it, but you cannot just stay silent. So here you can use a few expressions such as, ooh, that's a very interesting question. Oh, not a bad question. That's a very good question. Or, I would have to think about that. I would have to think about that. Or, you couldn't have asked a more difficult question. You can say that. You can say that. Yes, absolutely. No worries. He's not going to get upset with you. You can say, you couldn't have asked a more difficult question. It's a really hard question to answer. So this way, if somebody asks you a question like, what is the role of music in your country? It's a difficult question to think about. So you will say, well, it's a hard question because music is important in our country. And personally speaking, I really like listening to music. But I also know there are some people who don't listen to the same music as I do. And don't forget, you can always ask the examiner to repeat the question even if you have understood it really well, because that gives you extra seconds. So you can just say to the examiner, what? What did you say? Come again? Say what? No, you can just simply say, sorry, say that again, please. Or, pardon? Could you repeat that, please? I hope these tips were useful for you. Let me know in the comments section what you think. Goodbye for now and peace.